How to fix an unsupported address in Shopee. Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix an unsupported address in Shopee. First, open the Shopee application on your mobile device. Then what you need to do is to tap from the bottom right corner of the screen. Now scroll down to the end and tap on the chat with Shopee. Now type I can change my address. As you can see, they will provide you with the information changing your address. You need to go to me tab, then select the setting icon. Next, select my address, then select add a new address, fill in the details. Next, select submit. They also send instruction on you can edit or delete an address. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys got some value. Make sure to like and subscribe my channel to get the latest updates. If you if you think this video is valuable, please share to your friend.